I just wanted to take a pencil and found them.
Sorry, guys. We have nowhere to live. Help us, please. It's our duty as crafters, Sue.
Agreed. Let's build them a house.
Yay!
This is gonna be the base for our house.
It looks kinda small, Sue. Don't you think so?
Don't worry, Sammy. We'll have 2 floors and 5 rooms.
Oh, unbelievable!
Okay, each room will have its own color. The green room. Then we'll have a yellow one. This room will be purple, and the walls in the next one will be pink.
Wow! That's a totally new approach. Me like it!
Thank you!
Sue, where are you? I can't see you! I found the 2nd floor.
Well done, Sammy! Just what I needed! I think this is great. And what do you say?
Nice! I'm so tired. Gotcha! I know what room we'll do first.
Me too. Let's deal with the bedroom.
I know my Melody adores the color pink. She has a great taste.
That's true. This is going to be a cozy pink bed for my Melody. Voila! Looks neat and soft, right? I'll place it here by the window.
This room looks so good! Maybe I should swap with my Melody.
I'm afraid this might not be soft enough. Sam, would you be so kind?
Call me Mr. Samuel, dear. What did you need? My ears have become too old. Hey! No respect to the elderly.
That's a good one, Sammy. But this is perfect stuffing for the bed. Now my Melody is going to have the sweetest dreams on the softest mattress of all. I'll add some decorations to make this tiny bedding even cuter.
We definitely need to swap our bedrooms.
Hey, it's not yours.
Whatever.
Here we go. We defo need a headboard.
I've got an idea how to make the headboard, Sue. Watch me. Tell me it's the cutest headboard you've ever seen.
Wow, it is, Sammy. And it's so creative. Here we go. And one more piece.
Wow, this bed looks so jumpable. Yahoo! This is so awesome!
A bed is not a trampoline. It's very dangerous jumping on it.
Yeah, I get it now. No jumping on the bed. Keep that in mind, friends. If you jump on the bed, you can fall and really hurt yourself.
Let's keep going. This is a nightstand.
Nuh-uh, Sue. It should be as pretty as the rest of the room.
You are right, Sammy. My bad. But I will fix it. Ta-da! Now that's much better. Did we forget about anything else?
Duh. What if my Melody wants to read in bed?
Oh, right. And I'll also put some curtains on the window to make it look even cozier. Okay, this room is complete. Let's move on.
Interesting. I'm sure Sue has a different shoe size. Sorry, you. Oh! Got it! 1 sec. Sue, we need to make a bathroom next. And we'd better hurry.
Oh, got it. Let's get down to work.
Look what I found, Sue. It'll make a great bathtub.
Thank you, Sammy. You've got such a creative mind, really. You know, you could probably make a career as an interior designer. What do you think of this, Maestro?
It is actually quite good, Susie. Little details always make grand change. Remember that.
No bathroom is complete without a shower, right? Here we go.
Sue, the bathtub is awesome.
Hey! There's water on the bathroom floor, Sammy. It's dangerous. You'd better not splash.
But why? Ouch!
If the floor gets wet, you can slip, fall down, and might even hurt yourself.
Okay, I get it now. Fellas, remember, no running and splashing in the bathroom. If the floor is wet, it's slippery. So, always be careful and wipe up spilled water.
This will be a mirror perfectly fit for our Cinnamoroll style.
Well, how about some magic time? Bibbidi-bobbidi-subscribity! That's how it's done.
Great job, Sammy. Mirror, mirror on the wall.
Oh, awesome! Cinnamoroll is gonna be so happy. Whoops! Hurry up, Sue.
Oh, okay. I'm doing my best, Sammy. Oh, there.
One final detail. A pretty bath mat to keep your bare feet warm, you know? This feels so good. Sue, have you ever heard that slimes are actually fearless?
Oh, really? Got any proof?
Of course! I remember one time... Oh, my tibidaba! What's that, Sue? Sounds like a monster!
Relax, my fearless friend. It's just one of our guests. Must be really hungry.
That would be me. Sorry I scared you. Oh, we're gonna make a kitchen for you in no time. Psst. But for now, can I interest you with candy?
Sam, business before pleasure. I need some green clay, please.
Coming right up! A few more touches, and it's ready!
Great! I'll use this clay to cover the kitchen counter. It will look really stylish.
Do you think such doors will suit our counter, Sue?
Wow, so cute!
I know!
And I really like this color combination. I'll add 2 more doors to this side. Looks amazing! The countertop is going to be marble, so I won't mix blue and white clay completely, you know? That's enough. Now we can cover the countertop with it. Here we go. Nice! That's just what I was talking about. Now let's put the whole thing together. And since we've got a sink, we need a tap too. Voila! Everything's ready! What else do we need here?
Sue, help! It's too heavy for my slimy muscles!
A toaster! Oh, it's so cute! Great job, Sammy! And here's a cooker, of course.
Sue, Karapi is really hungry! Huh? Sue? Where is she? Well, I can cook a meal myself. What's the big deal, right?
What's going on here? Sam?
Hey! I've just started! Why did you interrupt?
No cooking without the adult supervision, Sam. It could be dangerous.
Okay, Sue. I'm sorry. I will never ever cook on my own.
Well, you promised. Now, what do we need to keep food from going bad?
I know, a fridge! But I must tell you, it's not the best place for hiding or living.
That's right. The fridge is for keeping food only, not for playing or anything.
But without a door, the cold will escape and the food will go bad.
Right. Thank you, Sammy. And it's an awesome fridge door. And the final touch.
Hey, it reminds me of someone.
Now it's time to make a room for Kitty White. I'll draw the outline first. Can you guess what this is going to be? I'll tell you. A TV stand. Just wait and you'll see. Cute, isn't it?
Did someone say TV? If it's bigger than mine, I'm ready to swap. I'm just kidding.
Don't worry, it's not bigger than yours.
Hey, wait. Do you mean this is my TV?
Yep, I took it away. Watching too much TV is bad for your eyes anyway. Alrighty, we'd better start making the headboard for our future sofa. This white clay is perfect for it. Sammy, help me decorate this, please.
That I can do, Susie. It will be ready in no time. Ouch! No worries. I'm fine. Everything's okay. All done. How'd you like it?
It's perfect, Sammy.
Hail Tibidaba.
Aw, I really like how it turned out. Our sofa is almost ready, friends. See? Now, this piece goes over here, this way. Oh, we nearly forgot about the legs. That's better. And it goes right in front of the TV.
Feels good, Sue.
Wait, Sammy. What are you doing?
Watching TV. Why?
Don't sit too close to the TV. It's really bad for your eyesight.
What if it's too late? I've always been sitting too close to the TV.
It's okay, Sammy. Just don't do it anymore, and you'll be fine.
Wow, thank you. It's the best room in the house. Where was it? Huh? What? Really? You aren't kidding? Okay. I hate to break it to you, but Kurami says she really needs a big closet.
No problem. It's It's easy to make.
Really? Cool!
Sparkly beads will make perfect legs. Here we go. We also need a vanity mirror.
What a handsome slime! Hey, Sue, give it back!
Sorry, but this is a perfect fit for our craft. Okay, now let's start making a closet. It's gonna be purple. Kuromi likes this color. Oh, it's so spacious, right? And here's a perfect place for it.
I must admit, it does look cute, Sue. What was that?
Do you hear it too? Hey, were you playing hide and seek in there?
Never hide in closets or cupboards. It's dangerous. You might not be able to get out.
Got it. We need to follow home safety rules.
That's right. Okay, you can move in, guys.
Wait, you shouldn't play with the ball at home.
Yeah, did you already forget what happened yesterday?
Who's playing ball at home? Stop this instant!
There. That's why you should play ball games outside only.
Right! Safety comes first.
Awesome! Friends, if you follow these safety rules too, give this video a like.
And remember to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye!